Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Excellent Tech. So today we will see that how to import an Excel file data into SQL Server Database table. So I have an Excel file which is on desktop SQL data. I have multiple columns and data also. So I just want to import these data into SQL Server. So let's check what are the steps we need to follow to import these data into SQL Server. So I have opened SQL Server. You just need to right click on your database and click on the task. There are multiple options. Click on import data. There will be a window. So just click on next button. Okay, so there is a data source. Data source means from where you want to import data. So just click on drop down. There are multiple source. So I am just selecting Microsoft Excel because I just want to import data from Microsoft Excel file. It will also ask for Excel file path. So just browse your Excel file, select SQL data. So I am just selecting SQL data because my data is in SQL data file. Open, click on next button. Now need to select destination. It means where you want to store. So scroll down and select SQL Server native client 11.0. Once you select SQL Server native client 11.0, there will be a option server name. So I have just click on the drop down. You can select server name also or your local PC name also. So as of now, I have just selected PC Rakesh, my local database. That's why I have selected PC Rakesh. Just click on window use window authentication and database. You can select in which database you want to import Excel file. Just click on drop down and select database name. Click on next button. There are two options: copy data from one or more table or view, and another one is write a query to specify the data to transfer. So just check on first option and click next. There are two sheets because in my Excel sheet there are two sheets available, but I just want to import only sheet 1 data. So I'm just selecting sheet 1. Okay, so there is a destination option. So there is a default dbo.sheet1 dollar. So I just want to change table name. So I am giving table name employee details. Okay, I do not want to import sheet 2. That's why I have unchecked it. Okay, click on next button. Run immediately by default check. No need to change. Click on next button. After click on finish. After few seconds you will get a successfully window. Click on close button. Now let's check our data is dumped or not. So refresh the database, expand the table and check I have given employee detail. So you can see there is a employee detail table created. Check, let's check. I'm going to select and select a strict from employee detail. So finally we got data from Excel sheet into a table. So it's very easy friends to import Excel file to in database SQL Server. Thank you very much friends. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.